In this video, how to enable one-click trading in MetaTrader 5 and why it can make a big difference in your trading speed. Let's start with the normal way of placing a trade in MT5. You can either click the New Order button or right-click Select Trading and New Order, adjust your lot size, stops and take profit, then confirm the order. It works, but it takes time, and in fast markets, every second matters. Now, let's enable one-click trading. Go to Tools, then Options, and under the Trade tab, tick the one-click option. After confirming, you will see buy and sell buttons directly on the chart. Here's how it works. Set the size, click buy, and the order is placed instantly. Click sell, and the position is open. No pop-up windows, no extra steps, just speed. The main advantage is obvious: fast execution, ideal for scalping or when markets move quickly. But there are risks. A single misclick can open or close a position you did not intend. Lot sizes can be wrong if you forget to check. And there is no built-in protection for stop loss or take profit. That makes one click both powerful and dangerous. This is why many traders turn to advanced tools. Our Easy Order EA adds confirmations, risk management, and a more friendly interface, while keeping the same speed advantage. We will cover that in a dedicated video. One-click trading is a powerful feature, but use it carefully and always practice in demo mode first. If you want more precision and safety, keep an eye out for our Easy Order EA walkthrough. We hope you found this video helpful. For more tricks and tools, subscribe and visit us at mt4gadgets.com. Trade smarter, not harder.